Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to update your YouTube TV payment information. Whether your card expired, you switched banks, or simply want to use a different payment method, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tricks. It really helps the channel grow. Alright, let's get started. There are actually a few different ways you can update your payment info on YouTube TV, so we'll cover the most common methods. Method 1. Through the YouTube TV website. This is probably the easiest way for most people. 1. First, head over to the YouTube TV website. Make sure you're logged into the Google account associated with your YouTube TV subscription. 2. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. 4. In the Settings menu, you'll see a few options. Click on Membership. 5. You'll now see your current membership status. Look for the Manage option next to your payment method and click it. 6. Here you can update your existing card details or add a completely new payment method. If you're updating an existing card, you might just need to update the expiration date or the CVV code. To add a new card, click Add Payment Method and follow the on-screen instructions. 7. Once you've entered your new payment information, make sure to save your changes. Method 2. Through the YouTube TV app, on your phone or tablet. If you prefer using your mobile device, you can update your payment information through the YouTube TV app. 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. 3. Select Settings from the menu. 4. Tap on Membership. 5. Just like on the website, you'll see your current payment method.
Top, Manage.
6. You can then update your existing card details or add a new payment method. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your new information. 7. And again, don't forget to save your changes. Method 3. Through your Google Account Payment Center. YouTube TV uses your Google account for billing, so you can also manage your payment methods directly through your Google account. 1. Go to your Google account. You can search Google account, or go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're logged in. 2. In the left navigation panel, click on Payments and Subscriptions. 3. Click on Manage Payment Methods. 4. Here, you'll see all the payment methods associated with your Google account. You can edit an existing payment method by clicking Edit underneath it, or add a new one by clicking Add Payment Method. 5. Once you've made your changes, be sure to save them. Important considerations ***. Asterisk payment method options ** YouTube TV typically accepts credit cards, debit cards, and sometimes PayPal, depending on your region. Billing cycle ** Keep in mind that changes to your payment method may take a billing cycle to fully take effect. If your next payment is imminent, it might still be charged to your old card. Troubleshooting ** If you're having trouble updating your payment information, double-check that you're entering the details correctly. Also, ensure that your card is valid and has sufficient funds. If you're still having issues, you might need to contact YouTube TV support directly. And that's it. Updating your YouTube TV payment information is a pretty straightforward process. Hopefully, this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.